Best mini saws introduction. Mini circular saws are gaining popularity thanks to their lightweight design, portability, and precision, making them perfect for DIYers, hobbyists, and even professionals working in tight spaces. This guide evaluates the best mini circular saws available, focusing on motor power, blade size, ergonomics, safety features, and overall value for money. Whether you're cutting wood, metal, or plastic, these compact tools deliver big results in a small package. List number 4-inch cordless circular saw and mini angle grinder 2-in-1, brushless motor, 3-speed, reversible. This innovative 2-in-1 tool combines a mini circular saw and an angle grinder in one compact cordless design. Its brushless motor ensures efficient power delivery and longer life, while 3-speed settings let you tackle wood, metal, and even masonry with precision. The reversible feature adds versatility, making it easier to maneuver in awkward spaces. It's lightweight but durable, perfect for quick jobs where flexibility is key. The ergonomics are solid, with a comfortable grip and good balance for extended use. For anyone who needs both cutting and grinding functionality without lugging around two tools, this hybrid is a game changer. List number WorkPro 20V cordless mini circular saw. 4.5 inches compact wireless circular saw, 4.0H battery. The WorkPro 20V mini circular saw delivers excellent value, coming complete with a powerful 4.0H battery and charger. Its 4.5-inch blade spins fast and cuts cleanly through wood, plastics, and soft metals. The compact ergonomic design allows precise control with minimal strain. Safety is a priority, with a sturdy blade guard and a comfortable rubberized handle. This saw is great for homeowners and hobbyists looking for a cordless option that's ready to go out of the box. It may not have the same brand recognition as others, but it performs well and includes everything you need at an attractive price. List number: Greenworks 24V brushless small circular saw, 4.5-inch compact circular saw, 6,500 RPM mini circular saw. Greenworks brings impressive performance to the table with this 24V brushless mini circular saw, reaching an impressive 6,500 RPM. This saw is designed for fast, clean cuts with minimal effort. Its compact design makes it easy to maneuver in tight spaces, while the brushless motor enhances efficiency and extends tool life. It comes with an easy-to-use depth adjustment and a solid blade guard for safety. This tool is ideal for quick cutting tasks around the home or job site, and it's compatible with other Greenworks 24V tools, making it a smart choice for those already invested in their system. Dovaman saw, 5.8A 4.5-inch circular saw with laser, metal auxiliary handle, 6 blades, 4.5, 4.3. If you're looking for a corded option with lots of accessories, the dovaman 4.5-inch circular saw is an excellent pick. With a robust 5.8A motor and a maximum cutting depth of 1/11/16, it handles a variety of materials with ease. It comes with 6 blades, both 4.5 and 4.3. A built-in laser guide for accuracy, and a metal auxiliary handle for added stability. The corded design ensures consistent power, making it great for longer projects. The laser and extra blades set it apart from the competition, offering excellent value for those who prioritize precision and versatility.